morning and Jai Hind. Lightning protection, an important topic nowadays. Let's understand in brief. The important structures and the electrical systems or equipments are protected against lightning strikes using metallic rod for structures, which we have seen this metallic spike, or we can say it's normally a metallic rod with a pointed top, right, on the important and heighted structures. And the lightning arresters also we have seen on the 2-pole structures, 4-pole structures, right? So lightning protection for the structures is done by using simple metallic pointed rods, whereas lightning arresters, or the LA it is termed as, are installed on the electrical systems to protect our transformers, switch gears, etc. etc. Both of these, whether metallic rod or the LA, are basically to be connected to proper earthing for providing easy path to lightning whenever it occurs. This is the fundamental. I'll repeat, both of these, whether metallic rod or the LA, are to be connected basically to the earthing, which should be a good earthing, proper earthing, for providing easy path to lightning whenever it occurs. Lightning, we hear sometimes it has occurred and damaged the structures or the electrical networks, transformer, etc. But it's not experienced on daily basis, right? The periodical inspection and measurement of earthing values is done to monitor healthiness of lightning protection system. We have installed the lightning arresters or the protection rods maybe couple of years before, or maybe 2-3 years before, or last year, whatever. But if the healthiness of this lightning protection system is not monitored, we cannot rely whether it will be protecting us from the lightning strike. Thank you. Have a great day.